Steve here with the Janitorialstore.com, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, tools, and resources. Why use flip-top bottles versus spray bottles? Well, you know, people that are doing green cleaning already know the answer to this question, or this big dilemma. You know, are we going to use a flip-top to apply our solution? Or are we going to continue to use the old trigger sprayer that's been around forever? Now, some of the things that you got to keep in mind is that you know, there's many ways for you to apply the solution. You can spray it, you can squeeze it, you can use an applicator, you can do a lot of different things. But something about the trigger sprayer, which many of you probably already know, is that when you spray this, it atomizes. So what they mean by that is that you know, it's those small particles, that mist that we're creating, and what happens is that atomization, you know, can be breathed in, and typically that's what happens. So when you got a cleaner that's cleaning a surface, or let's say they're cleaning a mirror, they'll spray their cloth or they'll spray the mirror itself, and they'll lean into it. Well, they went right into that overspray mist and inhaled the chemical. So that's one reason why you don't want to use a spray trigger. The other thing is too is that, like I say, you got overspray. Overspray can cause a lot of damage, and if you think about it, when you go and you spray a surface, what will happen is that that overspray can actually kick up that bacteria and create it to go airborne. So that's not good. We don't want to have that. So what you can do also, well, the other thing about the spray bottle is that you got poor coverage. You know, when you're spraying a surface, such as when we're disinfecting, you're trying to spray this on on a surface or on your cloth, and then you're wiping the surface. Well, when we're spraying it, we don't get very good coverage. It's uneven coverage. So that's why, if we're using a flip-top bottle, what we can do is we can take our microfiber cloth and we can apply our solution right to the cloth, saturate the cloth, and then apply it to the surface. Now that surface can be a horizontal or a vertical surface. And what happens is, by using the flip-top bottle, the surfaces, we get better application, and we also the surface stays wetter longer. So that's a big plus, you know, when we're disinfecting, because as you know, your disinfectant has to sit anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. You know, sure, there's some disinfectants that have a dwell time of 1 minute, but majority of them you're going to see that are 5 to 10 minutes. But that's the number one reason why we really want to use a flip-top bottle, for better application and keeping the surfaces wetter longer. You know, especially when we're doing our cleaning and disinfecting. You know, again, because we have to have that disinfectant stay on that surface for that dwell time in order to be effective. And we also have to clean our surfaces before we disinfect. So those are some of the reasons why you probably want to go to a flip-top bottle. And like I say, you know, green cleaning companies already know this. Green cleaners have been doing this forever. You know, they've been using the flip-top bottle to apply it to their cloth. You know, because they're considering the health of their cleaning technicians, overspray, and some of the things that I've already mentioned. So you know, go ahead and consider this, because there's a lot of benefits to it. Now, if you want to, you can always go to the Janitorial Store, and on the Janitorial Store we have a certified green cleaning program. If you're interested in getting certified in green cleaning, just go to the Janitorial Store and you'll see where the training programs are, the certified training programs, and you'll be able to go ahead and get certified in that. In that course, it actually outlines in depth, you know, the use of the flip-top bottle, and applying it to your cloth and applying it to the surfaces and things like that. But those are the things you got to consider of why you would use a flip-top versus a spray bottle. And I think we got some pretty good arguments there. I think it's a lot safer and overall much better to use this flip-top than it is to use that spray trigger. So keep that in mind next time that you got your technicians out there applying solution. And you know, think about their health, and think about what is the best application for applying your solutions. Well, so hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, feel free to make a comment and share. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates for new videos for building a successful cleaning business. Thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.